Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a simple way to manage your business finances, Wave is a great free cloud accounting tool. Today, we'll walk through how to set up and use Wave for seamless financial management. Let's get started. Patch 1. Set up your Wave account. Sign up at waveapps.com and connect your bank accounts for automatic transaction tracking. 2. Manage income and expenses. Easily categorize transactions, create invoices, and track payments all in one dashboard. 3. Automate recurring invoices and payments. Set up automatic invoices for regular clients and enable online payment options to get paid faster. 4. Track business reports. Generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow reports to monitor your financial health. 5. Handle payroll and tax compliance. Use Wave's payroll feature to manage employee salaries and automate tax calculations. Wave makes accounting effortless for small businesses. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.